Welcome to It's Not Letting Me. This video will talk about mindfulness.
It's not letting me! Quit saying that.
What is mindfulness? Well, mindfulness is the state of being aware of what's happening to you right now. It's about placing your consciousness on what is happening in the world and not what is not happening in the world. When you think too much about the future, you start to have anxiety. The future is a thing that does not exist. The only thing that happens is right now. If you put your focus too much on the past, you end up being depressed because you are regretful of things that you didn't do or things that didn't happen to you. Being present can be compared to a religious word of presence. The presence of God is talked about in every religion. The presence is ultimately the state of being present, and we know that a presence is never an absence. So the more you can focus on being present and being mindful of that present moment, the less absent you will feel in your life. When you're present, you're able to live abundantly in your life because you have an appreciation for what's happening right here, right now. When you're not present, you're not able to be right here, right now, because you're thinking about things that haven't happened or already happened. When you live presently, you can have gratitude for everything that's happening to you in this moment in this life. Meditation is a mindfulness practice of being present. When you meditate, you simply sit and observe your thoughts. When you first start meditating, you'll observe yourself thinking thoughts. And those thoughts that occupy your mind the most are usually what you worry about. When those thoughts surface, you can observe them and then let them pass, and then focus back on being present. Take deep belly breaths. It'll help relax your whole body. When those thoughts surface, you observe them, let them pass, and then return back to that present state of mind. As you meditate more and more, you'll recognize these patterns. And as you practice being present, you'll realize these thoughts don't have to be the guiding force in your life. Whether it's the future or the past, present is the only thing that can truly affect you. The more you practice meditation, the more calm you'll become. You start to remain more calm in your meditation, you also become more calm in your daily life. That calm way gives you a better ability to cope with everyday life. You become less reactive to the world around you, and you become more compassionate to everybody else in their current state. So how do you meditate? Meditation is a practice to connect the mind to the body. The ideal posture for meditation is to sit with the legs crossed and the top torso stacked on the sit bones. Your sit bones will sit comfortably on a floor, or you maybe want to be on a blanket, or even you can be seated on a chair. You want your shoulders and your head to be stacked as best you can over your hips. Become aware of your body. Know where your legs are comfortable and where they're not. If you have physical limitations from sitting on the floor, go ahead and sit on a chair. If you're in a chair, try not to lean your back against something. By keeping your back engaged, you start to engage the synovial fluid that goes up and down your spine. It helps to ease in the reduction of depression, and it also helps to move the fluids around your body in a more efficient manner. As you practice more and more, your torso will build strength around these muscles, and you'll be able to sit for a longer period of time. You should close your eyes. By closing your eyes, you shut off the visual sensories, so you're not seeing anything, and you automatically have a lot less to focus on. Breathe deeply and breathe through the belly. Don't expand your ribs outward. That can create more tension in your shoulders. As you breathe deeply through your belly, you start to give your digestive organs a little bit of a massage. So try it. Try 5 minutes to start. Then work yourself up to 10 minutes. Then to 20 minutes. and observe your thoughts and practice the meditation and practice the art of being present. Try it for 30 days straight, and you'll see that your entire life will change. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for practicing this mindfulness life. We'll see you next time on It's Not Letting Me. Please like and subscribe down below. Learn more about technology and increasing the technology mindfulness in your life. Leave a comment down below about what you might want to see more about, and we'll see you next time on It's Not Letting Me.
It's not letting me! Quit saying that.